Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can add a payment method to your iPhone very easily. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes under the video and write comments. Let's get started. If you want to change the payment method on your iPhone in order to make purchases, for example, in the App Store app or through other apps and sites on your iPhone, you'll first need to open Settings. Then, at the top, click on your name to go to your Apple ID account. Now you will need to select the shopping option here. If you have one card like in my case, then you need to click here, so that you will be taken to the details of the new payment method. If not, then you will immediately have this page. Now you need to memorize all the points. To do this, see the card number, the expiration date of your card, as well as a special secret code. You can also scan the card number. To do this, click right here on the camera. And into these frames, you will need to place your credit card so that, as you just seen, the numbers will be scanned and they'll automatically be added to this section. Once you've entered all the information, you'll just need to click Ready at the top right to save this payment method. If, friends, you already have a wallet and your card details in the Wallet app, then adding a card will be even easier. You'll just need to search for your wallet here and select the card you would like to add as a payment method. Friends, this is the method. Very quick and easy. You will be able to add a new payment method to your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful, friends. Please don't forget to put likes under the video, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.